Is it really possible for nothing but a simple little app on your cell phone to make you up to $105 per hour in passive income? We think you'll soon find the answer to be yes. My team and I couldn't be more proud to develop a completely foolproof solution that's allowing thousands of people around the world to get paid using their phones. They're making money while they do things such as watching videos, browsing the internet, catching up on the news, looking at the weather, chatting with friends. Yes, as long as they're using their phones, they're making money. And they're getting paid handsomely. Here, check out what I earned today alone. You're looking at an earnings screenshot of exactly $539.02. Sure, it isn't $1 million, but wouldn't money like this help you out? After all, who couldn't use an extra $500? This is all possible thanks to MobileMoolah, the world's first app that's paying us a minimum of $105 per hour while we use our phones. Nothing like this has ever been done before. MobileMoolah works on both Android or iPhone or any other device as long as it connects to the internet. This is your chance to turn your phone into your own personal pocket ATM machine. Here's how easy it is for our members to start getting paid. Step 1. Click any of the buttons on this page to create your MobileMoolah account. You'll want to do this immediately as we're only taking in so many members. Step 2. Activate the MobileMoolah monetization on any phone or even computer. This is the secret sauce of it all. And step 3. While we use our phones, we're getting paid $105 per hour or more. That's because the MobileMoolah monetization is running in the background, allowing us to get paid while we use our phones. Yes, we're making money even when we're surfing the web, chatting with friends, talking on the phone, playing games, or anything else really. Remember, we're doing this with nothing but our mobile phones, hence the name MobileMoolah. You're not going to find anything else like this out there. MobileMoolah is a proven, reliable, and fail-proof solution we're using to make money directly from the comfort of our mobile phones. It doesn't get any better than this. And with MobileMoolah, there are no expenses involved. No hosting to pay for, no domains to pay for, no traffic to pay for. There are absolutely no hidden fees involved with MobileMoolah. So, we get to keep every single penny of profit we make. Now, you might be wondering, how much is MobileMoolah going to cost me? Good question. You see, it took us 2 years or 24 months to develop MobileMoolah, along with $23,000 in development costs and thousands of hours of work. So we could easily charge $297 per month for access. That adds up to a whopping $3,564 per year. But we could justify it because there are dozens upon dozens of beta testers who are making far more than that right now with MobileMoolah. It's a proven system to bring in cash, which is priceless by itself, which means that price would be reasonable in practice. However, I know $297 per month is a lot to commit to, so here's the deal. I don't want your money. I'm going to do something special for you. Instead of charging you the full price of $297 per month, I'm going to make you an exclusive offer. All you need to do is make a low, one-time investment, the same as a pizza pie, to gain access to MobileMoolah. I won't even keep any of that money. It's just to cover the server infrastructure costs, the magic behind the scenes that's needed for MobileMoolah to make you money. That's all I ask for. Sound like a fair enough offer to you? Then pick up a copy of MobileMoolah immediately. But time is of the essence here. You must take action quickly. See, if we gave everyone access to MobileMoolah, it would likely become saturated. This would mean it could stop making everyone money, it would render our hard work and research useless. And even worse, it would impact those who invested with MobileMoolah. So sadly, we can only take in a maximum number of people. This is a needed precaution to ensure that our system continues to run smoothly. Once the doors are closed, they're closed for good. And there's no risk on your end with our 180-day money-back guarantee. Heck, we'll even throw in $250 out of our own pockets if you don't make money with MobileMoolah. Either way, you win. So go on, take the plunge, click the button below right now and get your hands on MobileMoolah. I'll see you inside.